For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment shown here. This should look familiar as we have played this game before. It is like a memory game, but it's called concentration. So, the whole point of this game is to find matches and type them here. How can I find a match? Well, we are looking for matching word parts. Earlier in today's lesson, we talked about different word parts, same prefixes, same suffixes, sometimes some same root words. So that's what you're looking for today. Let's go ahead and do a couple to see if we can catch on. So first thing you need to do is uncover a word and read it aloud. This word is disallow. I'm assuming I'm going to be looking for another prefix of the word dis or the letters D-I-S. Let's see if I can find one. I'm going to click this one here. Anxiously. There are no matching word parts, no prefixes that are the same, no suffixes that are the same, no root word that are the same. So I did not find a match. So you need to cover them back up and see if you can find a match this time. A good strategy to have is try to remember where the words are. So I know disallow is right here. So I'm going to go try again to find another word that has the same prefix as dis. Let's try this one here. I found one. So this word is dishonest, and it has the same prefix as disallow. This would be considered a match. So now that I have a match, I need to come over here and put my cursor in the first box, click once, and type your first word. The first word I found was disallow. So I'm going to type it. D-I-S-A-L-L-O-W. The next word that matches it I found, same prefix, is dishonest. So I'm going to come over here, click, and type dishonest. After you have found all of your matches, you make sure that you are spelling them correctly because they're right here. So all you have to do is copy them and make sure that all of these words have been turned over so that you can see them. Make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher.